Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to uninstall languages on Windows 11. Click on Start, Settings, now here click on Time and Language, then click on Language and Region. Here guys you will see a list of languages which you installed. So to remove any language, click on this three dot and click on remove. I am not able to remove because it's default language, but guys if you see some languages here I list, so click on three dot and remove and make sure which is default language you can't remove. To make your and to remove your default language, move down that language and after that remove that language. So this is the basic and quick way guys to remove language from Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.